Namaste and welcome back to all of you. This is one more video, the one more event, International Yoga Day celebrated at KLE, the Banyan Rajajinagar. Though it is a preschool, we usually plan something different. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಮಕ್ಳ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಅಂತ we always see to it. And once it happened that I visited the swimming pool area in our school and I was just checking the cleanliness, ಅದು ನೀಟಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನೋಡುವಾಗ I just decided, okay, why don't I use this swimming pool as a prop for yoga day ಅಂತ we decided. So we have done something new, that is like aqua yoga anta we have introduced for our preschool children, that is for UKG children. Please watch the video. The other forms are also there, like surya namaskara ide, stick yoga ide, ella ide, but something different andre it is aqua yoga which is done by UKG children. Please watch the video and enjoy. Happy International Yoga Day to everyone. Thank you.
सुंदरतर पिनाकधर हर सुंदरतर पिनाकधर हर गंगाधर गजाचर्मांबरधर गंगाधर गज चर्मांबरधर चंद्रचूड शिवशंकर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमः चंद्रचूड शिवशंकर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमः ಕೊರಳಲಿ ಭಸ್ಮ ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷವ ಧರಿಸಿದ ಪರಮ ವೈಷ್ಣವನು ನೀನೆ. ಕೊರಳಲಿ ಭಸ್ಮ ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷವ ಧರಿಸಿದ ಪರಮ ವೈಷ್ಣವನು ನೀನೆ. ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣಾ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ